The end and the means. Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni editorial. In life, we are often tempted to measure success only by the outcome. The promotion we earned, the respect gained, and the favor won. Yet, the truth we sometimes forget is this: the end does not always justify the means. When we step on a colleague just to rise, when we speak harshly to a family to impose our will, or when we treat neighbors with indifference just to get our way, have we really won? A hollow victory built on broken trust and wounded hearts is no triumph at all. The means matter. The words we choose, the kindness we extend, the patience we show. They shape not only the result, but also the path that leads us there. A good end built on cruelty is fragile, but an end shaped by compassion, fairness, and respect becomes lasting and true. In dealing with colleagues, family, and neighbors, let us remember our journeys are shared and our relationships are more precious than any short lived success. If the means are good, the end will not only be better, it will be worth keeping. Thank you for watching.